What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Garage on YouTube and Facebook, and this is the video I always hate making. It's the last video down here at Endless Summer Cruising in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. You guys all know I dropped a video Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, and Sunday morning, the video you're watching today, of all the events I did while we were down here in Ocean City at Endless Summer Cruising. We always do giveaways, so today we're going to be giving away a Bangin Gears fleece, just like the one I'm wearing right now. To be eligible, you need to subscribe to Bangin Gears on YouTube, like and comment on that video, and it puts you in the running to win the fleece. Make sure once you're subscribed, go back, watch the other videos, like and comment on each video, and that puts you in the running to win whatever we're giving away in those videos. So 4 chances to win. You can win 2 hats and 2 fleeces. So enjoy, have fun. Also, don't forget to check out Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. It's an automotive group. If it's automotive, anything goes. If you have a hard time finding it, if you're registered for the show, you should have got a postcard. Just use your cell phone, click on the QR code, sends you over to either the YouTube page, the Facebook group, or my Instagram, whichever one you guys, whichever social media you all use. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it. The weather was fantastic. Today was a little overcast, might rain in a little bit, that's why I'm doing this a little early. But drive home safe, enjoy the video, and we'll catch you back here in May at Cruisin Ocean City. See you next time, guys.
Don't come round and waste my time. A generation of my time.